Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of three very futuristic humanoid robots: Boston Dynamics' Electric Atlas, Tesla's Optimus Gen 2, and Figure02. So last October at Tesla's showcase, Elon Musk brought out Optimus, Tesla's humanoid robot. And we got to see it in all kinds of roles: bartending, performing, and even working as a salesperson. These glimpses went viral on social media. And it made a lot of us realize that humanoid robots are slowly but surely starting to enter our lives. At Tesla's annual report meeting, Musk also shared that they plan to price Optimus at just $20,000.
So it's really like, wow, like $10,000 or $20,000.
This could open up a huge market with a potential demand of over 10 billion robots worldwide and a possible $1 trillion in profits for Tesla. Now, I can't help but wonder, if demand for these robots really is that high, surely many companies are going to dive into developing humanoid robots. And if there are going to be a lot of these robots, how competitive will Optimus really be? So I decided to compare what I think are the three most futuristic humanoid robots out there. These robots are each known for something special, whether it's design, movement, finger, dexterity, or intelligence level. We're going to go through each feature and see which one might best suit the role of superhuman assistant in the future. First up, let's talk about physical dimensions. A robot's size directly impacts its adaptability in different environments. The hydraulic version of Atlas is about 1.5 meters tall and weighs 89 kilograms. While there's no official weight for the electric version, it appears similarly tall, but with a more compact and flexible frame, making it great for maneuvering both indoors and outdoors. Tesla's Optimus Gen 2 is taller at 1.78 meters and weighs around 59 kilograms, giving it a body shape closer to a human. This size makes it well suited to work in industrial environments. The Figure02 stands about 1.7 meters and weighs around 70 kilograms. It's got a balanced build that lets it move well in complex environments without being too bulky. So, Atlas is on the smaller side. Figure02 is a bit larger, and Optimus Gen 2 falls somewhere in between. Next, movement capabilities. This is one of the most important aspects of a humanoid robot. Let's look at how they perform in terms of flexibility, stability, and complex movements. Atlas is famous for its impressive mobility. It can jump, roll, and even perform parkour-like moves. It's excellent at maintaining dynamic balance on uneven terrain and staying stable in challenging environments. The electric version has upgraded movement capabilities that go way beyond human limitations. Its legs can bend backward at crazy angles, and it can even use its feet to push itself up into a standing position. Watching it in action, it seems like every part of Atlas's body can rotate and twist in unbelievable ways. Optimus Gen 2 focuses more on stability and smooth, human-like walking. While Musk showed Optimus Gen 2 performing tasks like bartending, it's really designed for precise, repetitive tasks in environments like factories and warehouses. Figure02 is also solid in movement. It can handle basic actions like walking and turning. While it's not as agile as Atlas, Figure02 does well with tasks like lifting objects and assisting in repetitive work, similar to Optimus Gen 2. For movement capabilities, Atlas clearly takes the lead here with a solid 5-star rating in movement. Optimus Gen 2 and Figure02 both perform well, but they're just not on the same level as Atlas, so they get 3 stars each. Moving on to finger dexterity, which is essential for humanoid robots to handle fine motor tasks. Atlas has a 3-finger design, which is pretty basic compared to the more common 5-finger structures. It's mainly used for support or gripping, so it doesn't really do fine motor tasks well. Optimus really stands out here. Musk mentioned that the hand design was the most time-intensive part of Optimus. The Gen 2 model has 11 degrees of freedom in its fingers, with touch sensors that can adjust grip strength based on the surface it's touching. This gives it flexibility to handle moderately complex tasks like pressing buttons or using simple tools. According to Musk, Optimus's hand is set to be upgraded to 22 dove, almost as dexterous as a human hand, which has 27 duf.
Our next generation has 22 degrees of freedom. It will be able to play the piano.
Figure also put a lot into its hand design. Figure02 has 16 duf and can carry loads up to 25 kilograms. Its hand design is more focused on grip stability and sits between the flexibility of Atlas and Optimus Gen2. It's great for holding and moving things, but isn't meant for superfine tasks. In finger dexterity, Optimus Gen2 takes the lead with 4 stars, followed by Figure02 with 3 stars. Atlas's hand functionality is more basic, so it earns just 2 stars. Finally, intelligence. This depends on each robot's data processing power, decision-making skills, and adaptability. Atlas shines in balance and movement intelligence. It has an advanced perception and control system that lets it sense its surroundings and respond in real time. Its control system, powered by machine learning, allows for movement planning, action control, and intelligent decision-making. These features let it handle unstructured environments and adapt its movements dynamically. However, there's limited info on its general intelligence, and it's mostly seen as a robot that can handle pre-programmed tasks. Tesla's Optimus Gen2 has advanced intelligence thanks to Tesla's AI. This helps it perform more complex tasks in various environments. Tesla's experience in autonomous driving gives Optimus an edge in data processing and decision-making. For example, in a previous demo, Tesla showed that Optimus can learn while working, like when it sorted blocks by color without being specifically told how. Figure has partnered with OpenAI, allowing people to interact with Figure02 through built-in speakers and microphones, similar to the ChatGPT app.
Great, can I have something to eat?
Sure thing.
Figure claims that its onboard computing and AI capabilities let it execute tasks autonomously. It also has 6 RGB cameras and a visual language model for physical world perception and quick reasoning. For intelligence, Optimus Gen2 and Figure02 both score highly with 4 stars each. Atlas is excellent in movement intelligence but limited in general capabilities, so it earns 2 stars. To wrap it up, Atlas is definitely the athletic champion, with unmatched movement capabilities that make it ideal for complex terrains. Optimus Gen2 and Figure02 lead in finger dexterity and intelligence, setting the bar for the competition ahead. These 3 robots represent the most promising developments in humanoid robotics, and we're all looking forward to their continued evolution. Stay tuned for more updates.